Okay, so theoretically, we should be recording this right now. And welcome to geometry. Nobody. You guys all let me down. Oh, well, it's okay. So we're still going to do this. We're still going to, have class, and I'll continue to record these and put them up for you. And hopefully you guys will decide to learn something. It's important that you guys at least try to learn during this, isolation period. See, I even put my bow tie on for you, looking all fancy. And the reason is that when you're you guys aren't going to get a chance to learn this again. You guys aren't going to get a chance to sit there and go, oh, hey, listen, I missed out on the last quarter of geometry. I can't be held accountable for that. What's going to happen is you're going to be expected to know what's going on. You guys are going to be expected to know what happened in the last quarter of geometry. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go through the Chapter 7 test. Basically, if you want to view it as test corrections, that's fine. But what I would want you to do is to go through this, make sure you understand something, and that'll leave us. So you guys will get something in the next week that's going to talk about kind of what the school's requiring of us over the next month and a half. And I'm going to actually go a little bit above and beyond. Instead of just sitting there and giving you guys an opportunity to fix your grade, I'm going to actually give you guys an opportunity to not only fix your grade, but also to learn something. So, a bit more caffeine on board, and let's do this thing. So, let's go to annotate. Okay, so Chapter 7 test, solve each proportion. So what this is asking us to do is to go ahead and solve for that missing number right there. And the way we do that is by using the cross product property of proportions, the cross multiplication property. So when we do that, we multiply 2 times 7. Let me see if it's easier with a mouse. And we set that equal to, no, it's not easier with a mouse. Undo. We set that equal to, for some reason, the one that I normally write like, on to do the videos doesn't really show up. So what I'll end up doing, just so you know, my process through this, or my theory through this, is that I'm going to want to we're going to have class on Tuesday and Thursday at this time. Tuesday, what will happen is I'll be giving you guys teaching you guys something on Tuesday, giving you an assignment, and then posting a video on how to do that assignment, probably also on Tuesday. That way, Thursday rolls around and we have an idea kind of what you guys know, what you guys don't know, things like that. So here we're going to go 2 times 7 equals 6 times n. So that's going to give us 14 equals 6n. Divide both sides by 6, and we get n equals 14 over 6. That reduces to 7 over 3. Or if you put that into a calculator, you'd end up with 2.33333. Same idea over here on number 2. We're going to go 5 times 5, 5, there we go, times n equals 9 times 10, and that's going to give us 5n equals 90, and then we divide by 5, and we get n equals, and 90 divided by 5 is 18. Okay? Clear all my drawings. There we go. So this is new to me. I'm doing it like this, so there's going to be a little bit of a learning curve for me as well as you guys. So number 3. So here it gets a little bit trickier. So we're going to go 5, because not only do we have a variable on both sides, but we also have, instead of just single terms, we don't have p over 7 equals p over 5. We have p over 7. We have p over 7 equals p plus 7. So that 7 is actually going to be multiplied by p plus. I'm trying to write a plus, and it's just that you do. Cool. Okay, undo. Plus 7. There we go. So this turns into 5 p equals 7 p plus 49. So normally what I do here, and I think in the future what I'll do is I'll pre-write all this stuff, record it to YouTube, and then what I'll do is we can watch the YouTube video together. I'll just do it without sound. And then I'll kind of talk to you guys through this same kind of thing. You'll have my face up here in the corner, and then the rest of it there. I don't know if you guys actually see me or just see the test. I guess, let's see what the format is. Okay. So I'm actually going to try something. I wish people were here so you could tell me, because it'd be a lot easier. Okay, so I'm gonna actually stop the recording, see what happens. And we'll go from there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the recording, and then see if on the when I watch the recording whether or not my face shows up, because if not, then I'll just do this the way I normally do.